In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Softr connection. We'll go through the full process of connecting Airtable to Softr and getting your app ready to publish. This is a great workflow if you want to turn Airtable data into a clean, usable web app without having to code everything from scratch. The key is to move step by step so your data is connected properly and displays the way you expect. Start by opening Softr and creating a new app or project. This gives you the workspace where your pages, blocks, and content will live. If you're starting from scratch, take a moment to choose the setup that best fits the kind of app you want to build. The goal here is simply to get into a fresh Softr project so you can begin connecting your data. Once you're inside the project, choose Airtable as your data source. This tells Softr where your app content will come from. Since Softr is designed to work smoothly with external data, selecting the correct source at the beginning helps avoid confusion later when you start building pages and adding content blocks. Next, connect your Airtable account by signing in with your Airtable credentials. During this step, Softr needs permission to access your Airtable data so it can pull records into the app. Make sure you connect the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace. A clean connection here makes the rest of the setup much easier. After that, select the Airtable base you want Softr to use. Think of the base as the main container that holds the information for your app. Choose the one that includes the content you actually want to display because all of your next steps will depend on this selection. Then pick the specific table that contains your app data. This is important because Softr blocks usually pull from one table at a time. Make sure you choose the table with the records you want to turn into lists, pages, or directories. Now map the Airtable fields to Softr blocks. This means matching the right Airtable columns to the right content areas in Softr, such as titles, descriptions, images, links, or other displayed fields. Take your time here, because good field mapping is what makes your app look organized and professional. Once the data is mapped, start building your pages. Add the types of pages or blocks you need, such as lists, detail pages, forms, or directories, depending on how you want users to interact with your content. Before going live, preview the app and check that the Airtable data appears correctly in Softr. Look carefully for missing fields, formatting issues, or records showing up in the wrong place. When everything looks right, publish the app. At that point, your Softr app connected to Airtable is live and ready to use.